Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through the cost of having a legit Microsoft Office license in your computer. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to the Microsoft website, which is microsoft.com. If you're having challenges going to that website, just check the link below in the description. When you click the link, it's going to take you to a screen like this one. So when you're on this screen, you're going to click on Microsoft 365. Our intention is to find out the plans and the pricing for the packages that Microsoft has. So we're going to go ahead and click on the plans and the pricing. As we can see, Microsoft has plans for home and plans for business, and they are currently running a promotion. You can get 16% discount when you subscribe annually, which I personally think it's a great deal. So for today, we are going to explore the plans for home. So once you have clicked the plans for home, you can see that if you are a college student or university student, you can get the personal plan for only 49 Rand per month. So at the time I was recording this video, I was using South African rands as my currency. So if you want to find how much it will cost you according to your local currency, depending on where you are watching this video from, you can actually go to Google and convert 49 Rand into your local currency, and then you will have a clear picture of how much you are going to spend. So we're just going to scroll down a bit so that we can see in detail the plans. So as you can see here, under the home plans, we have two types of plans, and these plans you can either subscribe yearly or you can subscribe monthly. So the first plan that we have, it's a family plan, Microsoft 365 family plan. This family plan can be used by one person to 6 people, and if you choose to subscribe annually, you are going to pay a once-off payment of 1,499 per year. So that is if you are subscribing annually, but let's check if you're subscribing monthly. So if you are that person who prefers those monthly debits, you are going to spend 149 Rand per month. So this package is going to come with the following apps. So you have Microsoft Word, you have Microsoft Excel, you have Microsoft PowerPoint, and also you have Microsoft Defender, you have Microsoft OneDrive, you have Microsoft Outlook, and you also have Microsoft Editor, and you have Microsoft Clipchamp, and you also have Microsoft OneNote. So with this package, you're going to be able to sign into 5 different devices at once. And you can use all these products on PCs, on Macs, on phones, and also on tablets. So generally, you can actually use these Microsoft products on every device. So the family plan comes with up to 6 TB of secure cloud storage. So the good thing about this package is that it comes with a 1-month free trial. So if you're not sure about this package, you can actually try it for free for the first month, and if you think it suits your needs and your budget, you can actually go ahead and click the buy now button. So the next plan that we have the personal plan, and the yearly subscription of the personal plan is 1,099 Rand, and if you want to subscribe monthly, you are going to pay 109 Rand per month. So this personal plan, as the name says personal, it's only for one person. So if we scroll down, we will see the details. So just like the family plan, you can actually sign into 5 different devices at once, and you can use it on PCs, on Macs, on phones, and on tablets. And this personal plan comes with up to 1 TB of cloud storage, and it also comes with apps that have premium features and also access while you are offline. The personal plan also comes with data and device security. It is also ad-free and provides you with a secure email. So unfortunately, this plan does not have a 1-month free trial, just like the family plan. So once you have decided that you just want to have a personal plan, you just have to go ahead and click the buy now button. It's going to take you to the checkout page where you will fill up your information, and then you continue with the purchase of your Microsoft license. So personally, I think if you have siblings, you have friends, or you have people that you can form a group with, you can actually go for the family plan and subscribe for 1,499. By that, you will split the cost and will end up paying a lesser amount than the personal plan. If you want to find out more how you will download the Microsoft Office package to your computer and install it, stay tuned for the next video. I'll be taking you through the steps of downloading and activating your Microsoft Office and setting it up either for your student use or for business use or for personal use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe, the like, and comment below, and share this video to all those people that have been struggling to get a legit Microsoft Office license. And if you know your friend has been struggling with an unactivated Microsoft Excel or Word or Teams or Outlook, this video is for them. take them along and share it to them, and stay tuned for the next coming video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. See you in the next video.